Hello everybody, welcome to our second video. Today we're going to work on a beautiful wedding cake. Let's start by dividing our cake in half by carefully cutting just around the sides and then crossing the blade through the middle to get a perfect cut. Next, I'm adding a good amount of simple syrup. This one has a splash of amaretto liquor. Now I'm adding my amaretto buttercream. Don't forget, you can find all these recipes in the description below. Now I'm going to add some delicious caramelized almond. I'm removing the cake crust from the top layers to help the buttercream stay on the cake. Now, let's repeat the filling process for each layer. In this step, we are adding a thin layer of buttercream. This is our crumb coat. Chill the cake in the cooler for a half hour. Now, our cake is ready to cover in buttercream. I'm using an offset spatula first and a lot of buttercream. And now I'm going to use a side scraper that I found at a hardware store to make the sides smooth. Go over as many times as you need to fill all the gaps and make it very smooth. After another half hour in the cooler, our cake is ready to cover in fondant. Keep pulling the creases open and attaching, open and attach, until you have the fondant all smooth around the cake. And then you finish with the cake smoother. Once the fondant is ready, cut the excess. Add some buttercream to your cake board and place the cake on top for decorating. I use 3 silicone press molds and some pearl dust to decorate this cake. Add Tylose powder to help the fondant easily peel off from the mold. Roll a piece of fondant the size of your mold and press it to imprint of the details. Do this as many times as you need. Trim the sides and release from the mold. I did 4 of these before moving to the next mold. For this particular mold, I'm going to cut 3 pieces out of 1 mold. Cut as many as you like and have them ready. Now let's attach all the decorations to the cake with some clear liquor such as vodka. I use bubble straws for cake support. Measure 1 and cut the rest using the first one as a guide. Now I bring out the top cake and I set it on top and I'm ready to decorate. I add the fondant borders, and if decorations overlap, I cut one beneath the other so it shows no bumps. It's flat and it has a cleaner finish. Now I'm going to paint all my decorations with white pearl dust. It helps to bring out the detail of the lace. Add some flowers, a beautiful base, and there you have it. A simple and elegant wedding cake. See you in my next video.